Hello students, I hope you're doing well. In this video, I'm going to give you an update about our textbook and our assignments associated with the textbook. In 15 years of teaching, this has never happened. I'm really sorry that these materials have not been that easy to find, but hopefully it will be a lot easier now. So this video will end in the announcements like the rest of the videos. Now let's go over to the content. So now if you click on eText, you will actually get to the eText. Yay! If you click here, the whole book will open. And that way you can just read without being inside of a SmartBook assignment, or just read without entering a SmartBook assignment and then leaving it. So the whole textbook's here. Alright, so then if you're in the table of contents, or you click content, depending on where you are, now you'll find the assignments in the module. So for module 3, everything will be totally squared away. You'll see the SmartBook assignments in the area called SmartBook assignments, yay, and you will see the quiz, you will see the quiz in the area called quiz. But while we were trying to solve this today, we made a little mistake. So in module 2, the SmartBook assignments are not right there, but if you're in assignments, they're right below it. And then the quiz is, the quiz is right here with this same thing. You see the folder for the quiz, and then the quiz will be right below it. But once we get into module 3, it will all be squared away. And I can tell by how many people have accessed the assignments that you have figured out how to find them, and I'm very proud of you for that. But now know that it will be a bit simpler to follow along with the outline of the course and find the assignments where you expect them to be. As I mentioned earlier, don't try to catch up in the SmartBook assignments. It's not worth it. You should just start where you are. And I will calculate your final grade with and without the SmartBook assignments. And whichever grade is higher is the one I will assign to you. And also keep in mind that at CCC Online, we do not have plus and minus grades. We only have whole letter grades. So you're pitching for a large range, right? An A is anything over an 89.5. A B is anything over a 79.5, etc. Alright, I hope this is helpful, and I'll catch up on my emails. I've really been spending a lot of time with the McGraw-Hill trying to get this sorted out. I'm sorry I'm behind in my emails, but by the end of tonight, I should be caught up. And let me know how I can help you, and as always, you can text me if you're feeling stressed and have questions. Thank you.